Got the beeping, motherfuckers, man, cause I keep creeping. I'm just gonna have to keep on peeping out the window with the lyrical endo. Plus my fucking rhyme is slow, plus I fucking grab your hoe. You know I got the flow to get the fucking dough up in my pockets. Motherfuckers mad because my style is straight blasting off like rockets. Plus I'm going through your pockets, you ain't making no profit. Your rhyme makes no logic, so how you gonna talk back? You better pick a new project for you to win, cause lyrically you can't comprehend. I'm gonna have to crush you like aluminum tin. Plus I'm running off with your rims, your fucking Mercedes. As soon as I'm coming through and fucking grabbing all your ladies. Plus I'm coming back and fucking spreading like rabies among your crew with this lyrical kung fu. You just a gumshoe, I'm a detective. As soon as I come back with the lyrical antiseptic, motherfucker, it's eclectic vision when I come back with the lyrical precision. Plus I'll be making all kinds of ill decisions that you can't even think. Your fucking rhymes is extinct, I don't even need to blink. I just sit back and think you gonna need to shrink after I'm done with you with this lyrical fucking kinda fucking crazy flu, but you can't even stop it. Motherfucker, I keep on popping, I keep on dropping. Competition, niggas mad because they start bitching. I start coming back with a new audition, and after that I go in my brain and start fishing for new words. Now sit back and observe as your motherfuckers keep standing on the curb with verbs. I'm just gonna have to fucking smack you like the average herb, so don't even try. You ain't fucking with your nod. There are lyrics I can ply, plus I'm ready to ride. I keep on going. Motherfuckers mad because I keep blowing. Plus after that, you know I'm gonna be blowing up from the top. Now sit back and give me my props as I got rhymes that'll fucking blast you out your socks. Your profit, I told you ain't more. You ain't making no logic. So before I come back and explore this rap jungle, I fucking stay calm and humble. You ain't doing nothing, your whole career is gonna crumble in front of my eyes with the visions, with the lyrical precision. You ain't dumping nothing with this rhyme collision. I just keep on going with the freestyle on top of the head. Plus I'm coming and I'm fucking spreading you like bread out like margin. Motherfucker, I'm the sergeant, respect. Plus you ain't got no rhymes left. I'm coming back and from all angles. You will get strangled, you will get mangled. Plus I don't fucking really think you wanna tangle with the best in the way I start impressing. You ain't doing nothing, I'ma leave your whole crew guessing. I'm gonna be messing up your whole style. As soon as I blow the back out of your brain like I was Private Pile. I had you sweating like a Puerto Rican on trial. And after I win the battle, I just leave with a smile. I've been flowing for a while, it's perfected. The way I come back with a narcoleptic, I'm fucking analeptic. You ain't doing nothing, nigga, I told you before. Once I come back and explore, the crowd wanted more. I had my hand up, you knowin', cause I keep flowing. Plus when I grab the microphone, it automatically starts glowing. You ain't stopping, motherfucker, I told you from the floor.